May mga gabi na hindi ako makatulog, puso ko parang tumitibok ng sobra. Isip ko umiikot sa bakit at ano bang mali sa'kin. Tapos bigla na lang ginost ako ng guy na nakilala ko online na akala ko forever na kami. Walang sagot, walang explanation at grabe, lumala ang anxiety ko. May mga bagay na hindi mo matatakasan kahit lumipad ka ng ibang bansa. At para sa akin, isa doon ang anxiety. Hindi nagsimula ang anxiety ko sa Dubai. Bata pa lang ako, overthinker na ako. Lagi akong takot magkamali. Lagi ako may iniisip na, what if? Tahimik lang ako, pero mabigat sa dibdib. Nung nag-Dubai ako, akala ko iiwan ko yung anxiety. Akala ko fresh start. Pero hindi pala ganun. Mas lumala ang anxiety ko dito kasi mag-isa ako. Walang pamilya, walang comfort zone. Yung overthinking na dati paminsan-minsan lang, naging araw-araw. Yung simpleng problema, nagiging malaking bagyo sa isip ko. At habang tumatagal, nakaka-drain, nakakapagod, maging prisoner ng sarili mong thoughts. Ang sakit sa dibdib, ang bilis ng heartbeat, hindi makahinga. Akala ko may sakit ako, pero anxiety pa rin pala. One day, napagod na ako. Hindi sa buhay, pero sa takot. And that's when healing started. Journaling, grounding, self-awareness. Alam mo yon, yung morning light na hindi mo napapansin dati. Ngayon, ramdam ko na ulit. After years of anxiety, eto na. I can finally breathe. I can finally feel calm again. Hindi madali bumalik sa sarili. Ang dami kong nights na akala ko hindi ko na kaya. Pero little by little, nag-heal ako. At ngayon, I'm preparing myself again. Not for anyone, but for me. Sinulat ko dito, I am ready. Ready to let go of fear. ready to choose peace, ready to love without shaking hands and racing thoughts. And you know what? My anxiety is a blessing in disguise kasi it brought out the best version of me. Then someone special came into my life, and that is my Pakistani husband. Every morning, I try to remember where everything started. Funny kasi, kami ng asawa ko, we met online lang. Simple message, simple hello, pero doon nagsimula lahat. And now, after everything, anxiety, distance, healing, here I am, breathing calmly again. Hindi ko ina-expect na yung taong nakilala ko behind a screen would eventually hold such a big part of my heart. Pero habang lumalalim yung connection namin, lumalalim din yung anxieties ko. And healing taught me this. I needed to love myself first before I could show up fully for him. Kaya sinulat ko, I am ready. Ready to leave behind the fears that almost broke me. Ready to remember why we choose each other in the first place. Even if we started miles apart, holding on to late night calls and online messages. I'm looking forward to stay with him for the rest of my life. Nitam si प्यार करती हो मेरे जान शारी. At habang nag-heal ako, may na-realize din ako. Ang dami din Filipina na hirap emotionally, lalo na yung nag-ghost. Being in this kind of relationship is quite challenging. Ito rin ang reason kung bakit ko binuo ang Pakfil Love Story Community para tulungan ng ibang Pakistani at Filipina na na-in love online, LDR, or married like us. Para hindi sila maligaw tulad namin noon. Para may space sila to learn, to grow, to understand each other's world. And maybe to believe that love like ours is possible. I can say that I'm blessed to find a good Pakistani man. Dahil sa Pakfil community, nalaman ko na marami palang Filipina ang lumalapit sa akin, umiiyak, confused, nasasaktan kasi nalaman nila na yung Pakistani boyfriend nila ay married na pala. At pagkatapos nun, bigla na lang silang ginost. Una sa lahat, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, it's not your fault. Hindi ka stupid, hindi ka mahina. You trusted someone, and that doesn't make you stupid. That makes you human. Marami talagang Pakistani men ang pumapasok sa relationship online habang married na sila. Minsan arranged marriage, minsan pressured, minsan unhappy. But, hindi excuse yon para saktan ka. Bakit sila nanggo-ghost? Because when the truth comes out, natatakot sila, naiipit sila. Ayaw nila harapin ang consequences. At yes, minsan, ginagamit nila ang distance and culture bilang escape. Pero sis, tandaan mo to. Kung kaya kanyang i-ghost, hindi kanya deserve. Kung kaya kanyang iwan ng walang closure, hindi siya ang lalaki para sa'yo. If he lied to you about being married, that's not love. That's manipulation. Isa to sa reason kung bakit ko binuo ang Pakfil Love Story Community. Para tulungan ang mga Filipina na nalito, nasaktan o nangangailangan ng guidance. Para maintindihan nyo ang culture nila, ang red flags at ang healthy signs. Para hindi kayo mapabayaan or maloko ulit. Kung isa ka sa mga iniwan, ginost, or nilihiman, I'm here. Our community is here. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Your story doesn't end with someone who couldn't stay. Kaya please, protect your heart. Ask questions. Huwag matakot mag-demand ng clarity. And kung naloko ka, let this be your sign to choose yourself. You deserve a love that's honest. A love that's proud of you. A love that doesn't hide you. Huwag nating i-generalize. Not all Pakistani men are like this. Maraming ring loyal, respectful, faithful. Pero marami ring Filipinas ang hindi alam na sa culture nila, marriage is taken seriously at bihira silang nagde-divorce. Kaya kung married na siya, malabo talaga na maging future mo siya. Para sa mga Filipinas na nag-ghost, hindi ikaw ang problema. Ghosting means sila ang hindi ready. Hindi ikaw ang kulang. Protect your heart. Protect your peace. Closure doesn't come from them. Closure comes from accepting that they weren't meant for you. Anxiety doesn't define you. Every day you grow, every day you heal. And kahit saan ka man, you deserve peace. This is your soft life. This is your healing. Ayan na mga kadosti, we're officially ending our vlog for today. Kung na-enjoy nyo ang journey ng acting mga kadosti, don't forget to like and share this video, okay? Pero wait, may mega announcement tayo. We have a challenge. If we reach 100,000 subscribers, that's the promise. Mag-e-empake na ako at lilipat na ng Pakistan. Help us close the distance for good, Kadosti. It's not just a subscription. It's a ticket for me to Pakistan. Kaya, click that subscribe button and ring the bell. See you next week and let's make this Pakfi love story move to a whole new country, inshallah. Bye!